how to lock your Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can lock your Snapchat. So in order to lock your Snapchat, you have to follow these steps. So basically, to do this, there is no such feature available on the Snapchat, so you have to download a third-party application. So for that, head over to your Play Store. You can use any of the third-party applications such as App Locker. So type in App Locker on the search bar, and then you'll be able to find all of these, and you can select either one of it. Or if you want specific app locker for Snapchat, then you can also type in app lock Snapchat, and you'll find a particular one which is the locker for Snapchat. So go ahead and tap on it and install the following application. Wait for it until it's completely downloaded. Once it is completely installed, click the open button, and that's going to take you to the other field where you have to go ahead and tap on it. Now you have to basically create a password, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and for the confirmation you need to type in, and you can also set a recovery email, all that, but then you can skip this part. Allow all of these permission. Accordingly, you have to provide in a username and a password of your Snapchat, and you've successfully enabled lock on your Snapchat. So that's basically how you can get a password on your Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.